So this is the playground for cricket. This is the playground for football. So you know that some 11 players are there for cricket, and a number of football players I don't remember. Suppose just consider some 20. Some players are there for this football field. So these 11 players, in the beginning of the match, when the match will start, their arrangement will be different. Like batsman, bowler, umpire, something. Some people will be there. Some slip or side slip, something is there, right? Or then we have 20 players for football. So this one goal. So here we'll be having some players. So if as a third person in the beginning of the match, if you see this arrangement and if you see this arrangement, so actually they both are arranged in their way. So in themselves they don't have any disorder. But if you match this image with this image, so they are not in order with each other. With each other they are not in order. So this is what the meaning of disorder. Some people are physically handicapped, so they have some kind of disorder. Sometimes we have mental disorders. So means the thing will not match with the regular thing. Then we say that is disorder. And same thing is randomness. Means these people are randomly standing according to these people, and these people are randomly standing according to these people. So in case of gas dynamics, what is the meaning of entropy? Try to understand very well. When you have any system, in that system you have certain amount of molecule, and you just take one molecule out and consider that that molecule is the combination of 3 atoms. Now see, when you will heat the entropy, now see, before heating them, you just take the, you don't take, just try to imagine. Suppose we are taking the screenshot of their state, currently of their position and location. And we are also, our camera is very good that we are also able to zoom them at their atomic level. Now you supply some amount of heat. Then what will happen? They will move faster. They will be more random after some time. As compared to their previous state, they will be more random. So randomness is coming into picture. When you will take the new photo of this, then you compare this photo and this photo, then these two photos are not matching. So this guy is in disorder as compared to this, and this guy is in disorder as compared to this. But because with time, if you will go, this is your second pick and this is your first pick. So this one we consider as disorder. This one we consider as arrangement. So randomness is coming like this. After some time, again, if you supply some heat, some new pattern will appear here. Some new photograph will come here. So that will be again a new disorder for this guy also and for this guy also. So now you just try to feel what is the meaning of disorder in our gas dynamics. If we are comfortable with disorder, then go into little more detail. Their atomic structure will also be affected. I have given you homework, right? That you have to find out degree of freedom for the triatomic molecules. So you know what? When you supply more and more heat, then their degree of freedom will also increase because of heat. So that you will understand by using Google or your hard work. Now you see, we are able to understand the disorder. Physical field we got. But because we understand the physical field, that is not enough to convert this into mathematics, right? So suppose when our science was being developed, that time we were deciding that, okay, this much length will be 1 meter, or this much weight will be 1 gram. So for everything we were giving some name. So this name we gave as length. This name we gave as mass. There was something hot and cool, so we said temperature. So these all the people are the measurement for everything. So to measure the disorder, we introduced a new quantity as entropy. So entropy is nothing but it measures how much disorder has come into the picture. So that's why some people say that entropy is nothing but the measurement of the randomness in any irregular process. So now here we have something irregular word. So first of all, what is entropy? Entropy measures the randomness or disorder of any during the process. Now see, our entropy can be changed. It means what? Disorder can come. It means what? Randomness can come into any system by two ways. Either by heating them, what I explained, or by introducing irreversibility into the system. Now, what is the meaning of irreversibility? So, irreversibility is directly related to the friction. Friction means whatever kind of system you will create by using whatever technology, some amount of friction will be there for sure. So, that amount of friction will create disorder in the system. So, suppose you don't have any irreversibility, then your heat will only change the entropy. But if you have irreversibility also, then even if you are not supplying the heat, then just because of irreversibility also entropy will change. So I will collect all the idea now. First, we should understand what is disorder or randomness. Once we got the physical feel about disorder and randomness, then we should understand, then we should introduce any quantity or property which should be able to measure them. So that is only called entropy. So entropy is the measurement of disorder or randomness. Sorry. Now, this entropy means this disorder or randomness we can produce, we can create in the system either by heating the system or by introducing irreversibility in the system. Irreversibility means friction. So, your entropy will definitely increase because more and more randomness will come, more and more entropy will come. And listen, try to understand, randomness is not like some zigzag or something, that thing. Randomness is like your pattern is not matching. You can't say that first pattern was correct and second pattern is wrong or something. It is not about correct and wrong or crowd or gathering or something. It is about mismatching of their arrangements. This guy will not mismatch with this guy will not mismatch with this. So, because we are moving in time like this was my first photo, this was my second photo, then third photo. So, I will say that this is disorder when we compare with this. This is disorder when we compare with this or with this. So, if you have disorder, if you have found some disorder in your system, then you have to measure like 2 disorder, 20 disorder, 30 disorder, how much disorder is there. So, you will give some name, right? So, that is only called entropy. So, you will say that entropy is this much, entropy is this much. So, yes. Absolutely. That's why you have heard somewhere in thermodynamics book, in our universe, at every moment entropy is increasing. Very good logic. Now see, everyone has heard about Big Bang. In the beginning, our entire universe was clubbed inside some ball shape size. Okay, every universe was inside. So that blasted. But that blasted without sound. Why without sound? Because sound can travel only in the medium. But before Big Bang, we had no medium outside. That's why it was a silent blast. So this popularly known as, this ball is known as singularity. So try to imagine when our entire universe was clubbed in just into the singularity. That time it was very, very dense. Something happened, blast happens. Blast happened. Now when the blast happened, under certain time, we got our all planet, everything, some started forming. Now try to imagine just one molecule. Suppose wherever you are sitting, guys, wherever you are sitting, suppose you are sitting on a table or chair or bed or anywhere, you consider any point on your table or something. Imagine from where that point has come in your room. Just I'm just taking example of my iPad. In my iPad, suppose I am pointing out here. This screen. This point is what it is on a plastic cover. Now that plastic cover has come from some industry. That industry has taken the plastic cover from some ore or some other planet, or I mean some other thing. That thing was present in the earth crust. That earth crust was earlier present into the sun or something, and that sun was earlier clubbed in the galaxy and something. I mean to say that that point what we are pointing out now, that was actually inside the singularity in the beginning. And still this universe is expanding. So this point, I mean at every moment we have different picture of the universe. That's why at every moment our universe is expanding. So we have, our entropy is increasing. I hope my explanation is very simple and clear. Right guys? Okay. So this is what entropy is. So that's why when we talk about entropy, then we talk about total entropy. So total entropy is nothing but the combination of entropy due to heat supply, or S is the symbol for entropy, or it is because of irreversibility. So it is because of irreversibility. And one more thing, we never measure entropy of any photograph. We always measures the disorder. So right now you will be having some entropy which is as compared to the singularity. Currently whatever entropy we see, that this entropy is with respect to the singularity. For example, try to imagine everyone touch your forehead or cheek or anything, hand or something, and you will imagine some temperature. I mean, you will feel some temperature. Suppose that temperature is around 26 degrees Celsius if you are a healthy person, something like this. I'm not sure, 20 or something. So some no, this will be very much temperature, right? Some 15. How much healthy temperature? Guys, do you have this data? How much temperature is healthy for a human body, a healthy body? In Celsius, can you guess the thing? 27 something. Safe side. Okay. Now my question is, with respect to some temperature we are measuring 25, right? It is not like just 25. If you'll go below 25, 24, below 24, 23, 23, something 0 degrees Celsius. So with respect to 0 degrees Celsius, we are measuring the temperature. So whatever entropy right now you are seeing, that entropy is actually from the singularity time. Because at every moment after the blast, we are being irregular, more random. So currently right now, whatever is the entropy, that is actually S. But this is from the singularity where entropy was totally 0. We consider that as the perfect, and now we are being irregular. So this entropy was 0 and entropy is increasing now. So entropy, whenever we discuss, that will be the change. Always we discuss about change. So we focus on two types of entropy only, because only two entropies are there. So one change in entropy is because of change in heat or because of supplement of heat, and then we have another entropy because of irreversibility. And both the things I am writing as change. D means change, delta or D, whatever you want to write, D. And for this heat entropy, we have a separate formula. This separate formula we give as ds is equal to delta Q by T. Now here is something important. What is this delta here? So whenever we are using, why I am not writing dq here? We write d for point functions and we write delta for path functions. So point function and path function, I will just take 2 minutes and I will explain that. See guys, actually today we are not doing any numerical or any example because this is our first class. So lot of theories we have to develop from the basic. That's why we are only doing theory part. From tomorrow class, we will do some numericals. And now see what is point function and what is path function. So see, if right now if I will ask what is the time, then in my iPad this time is 7:40 p.m. But the moment you will say 7:40 p.m., it would have changed by some millisecond or microsecond. Means what? Whenever I'll ask what is the time, you can't tell me the exact time. So at a point you can't decide the time because time is flowing every time. So time you can't say at a point how much the time is. Definitely in the past you can say that at 7:40 you asked the question. Definitely we can decide time like that, but the time is flowing. Now I mean to say that suppose you have a battery. In this battery you have saved some energy. And when you are connecting the thing with some instrument, suppose fan, then this fan will rotate. So actually this energy will start flowing from here to here. So right now if I will ask what is the energy, system started, fan on, fan is running now. Now I ask a question. Question is what is the energy stored in the battery? So you say, sir, when you will ask the question, that time some energy would have gone outside. So whenever I will give the answer, that answer will not be the right answer. So that's why energy is not a point function. It is a path function. And which energy? One more thing. Which energy? I am not talking about any energy. I'm only talking about heat energy and work energy. We have several forms of energy. Suppose there is any block. This block is having mass. This is moving here with some velocity v. So it will be having kinetic energy half mv square. So this energy you can measure any time. That will be this value only. If the mass is constant, suppose 2 kg, if the velocity is supposed 2 meter per second, then half into 2 into 4 will give you 4 joule of energy. So at every moment it will be 4 joule, 4 joule, 4 joule, 4 joule, 4 joule. So this energy is not similar to my example. So in energy itself, some energies are point function like kinetic energy, potential energy, and some energies are path function. So heat energy and work energy, these two are path function. Always keep in mind, in our entire thermodynamics, these two people are path function and remaining people are point function. So whenever you want to write change in point functions, then you write d. But if you want to write change in path function, then you can't write d. Then we have several symbols. Sometimes we use delta, sometimes we write d but we cut like the head. For example, delta q is correct, delta w is correct, this symbol is correct, this symbol is correct. But dw is wrong, dq is wrong. But it has been a wrong practice. People are even printing in their books dw and dq. You will see many books, they will write dw and dq. But if they are writing dw and dq and in the background they are saying that they are path functions, then we can't blame them. Okay. So now we go with this point function, this thing over. Entropy is over. So we have two types of entropy. One entropy is being developed because of heat supply or heat removal, and one entropy is being developed because of this friction process. Now I will ask one small question. I have a system. In this system, I am keeping any fluid. This fluid will be at some state P1, V1, T1, rho 1. This is one state. So for this state, this guy will be having some entropy. So that entropy I will say as S1. But see, in our BTech and MTech courses, we never try to find out entropy at any state, because that is not our requirement at our level, our graduation level. Our requirement is just to find out change in entropy, because if there is a change, then only we have disorder, then only we will measure entropy. Suppose, now I am reading the question. Suppose I am taking the heat out. If I am taking the heat out, then what will happen with the entropy? This entropy will increase or this entropy will decrease? This is the question. Anyone can answer? Definitely it will change, but it will increase or decrease? Yeah, Tirthaj. You are saying that entropy will decrease, but your explanation is based on temperature. But see, Tirthraj, if you will take the heat out, then temperature will not increase, right? Temperature will decrease. Then how? Okay, so now you understand. Okay, anyway, so you are using ds is equal to dq by t, and you are only being focused on temperature and saying that, sir, temperature will decrease, so entropy will increase because they are reciprocally related. This is your logic. Okay, but this answer I will clarify. I will judge this. Someone else? Someone else? It will increase. Pavitra, right? Okay, so Pavitra is also saying it will increase. Someone else? Ruchika? Prachi? Prachi, are you there? Okay, I think Prachi slept. Class is that much boring, you guys are sleeping? Okay, see. Oh, net connection. Oh, sorry. I thought class is boring and you guys are sleeping. Okay, fine. So, see, guys, mathematically, you guys are being trapped because you are seeing only this part. You are missing that even dq is decreasing because you are taking heat out. So even after knowing the idea, you gave the wrong answer. This is what GATE exam is. See the complete thing. When you take the heat out, heat is also decreasing and temperature is also decreasing. Now their ratio will decide entropy will increase or decrease. So how will you decide that ratio is increasing or decreasing? That is a tough job. So this question we can't crack based on mathematical formula. Is there any other way to crack the formula? Yes. What is that other way? Just feel this question. In our system, we have some fluid. So currently take the photo. Then you take the heat out. You know that whenever you take the heat out, these molecules will feel tired. They will feel weaker and they will come closer. And it means what? Where are they going? They are going towards singularity. It means what? Whenever you are taking heat out, they are being less random. Right now, if you supply the heat, then they will be more random, more disorder, then entropy will increase. So there is one more way to understand the right logic. So we will face this kind of question, controversial question, and we'll jump to the right answer by our discussion program. Okay. So the right answer is entropy will decrease, and the reality is dq by T. You may be confused here because if you will focus only on T, then you will definitely attempt the wrong option. Entropy will, because temperature is decreasing, because you guys are understanding one thing. When we take heat out, temperature decreases. Absolutely correct. But in the formula, you are only being focused on temperature. You should also understand what about this part, dq part, del q part. So del q will also decrease. So their ratio will decrease more rapidly. That's why the entropy will decrease. So if the entropy will decrease, then try to understand. They will ask you change in entropy. See, based on same logic, two questions can be framed. Molecules taking heat out, you know that temperature will decrease. So they can ask first question, entropy will increase or decrease. They can ask this question also, second question, change in entropy will be positive or negative. So now first answer I explained that entropy will decrease. Now second answer you guys will say that change in entropy will be positive or negative. I got first answer as Tirthraj negative, Corona negative. Next, Poonam is also Corona negative. Next, someone, guys, right or wrong, no problem. Any answer? Okay, so Poonam came with positive answer. Yes. Yes. Okay. 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 Ruchika is there. Ruchika, give the answer. Confused. Okay. Prachi, Poonam, Pavitra, who is remaining? Give the answer. You feel it is positive. Okay. Guys, again our session will drop in 10 minutes. Again you guys will join if session drops. Okay, so see, suppose in the beginning you had some entropy. Give that answer as some 100. 100 units. We don't know the unit, but unit will be joule per Kelvin, because ds is equal to del q by t. So this is having unit as joule, this is having unit as Kelvin. So joule per Kelvin is the unit of entropy. So suppose in the beginning you had entropy 100 Kelvin, 100 joule per Kelvin. Now you have taken heat out. Because you have taken heat out, so you know that entropy will decrease. So your new entropy H2 will be less than 100, means suppose 98. So change in entropy. So how to find out change in entropy? Del S, H2 minus S1. Always, whenever we are finding out change, don't do any mistake. Final minus initial is always the right formula. Final minus initial. So final answer is less, that is 98. Initial answer is more, that is 100. So your answer is negative. So 3 students are correct, 1 is confused, 1 is wrong. So this is what my gate result will be from this batch. Okay, let's see. So then we go for isentropic process. Isentropic process. Guys, this is very, very important process.